Radha Raman is a very captivating deity. He was originally worshipped by Gopal Bhatta Goswami. His temple is number 5 on our map. Gopal Bhatta was worshipping Shalagram Shilas, but he maintained a desire to worship a traditional deity form of Lord Krishna, like his fellow Goswamis Rupa and Sanatana, who were worshipping Govinda and Madan Mohan, respectively. One day an affluent devotee visited Vrindavan and met Gopal. He offered that he would provide all types of clothing and ornaments for Gopal's personal deity, not knowing that he was worshipping Shilas. Gopal politely refused the man. It was the appearance day of Lord Nrsingadev, and that night Gopal Bhatta was strongly desiring to have a regular deity to worship with beautiful paraphernalia as the devotee had been offering. The idea came to him, "My Lord, when you appeared as Lord Nrsingadev, you came out of a stone pillar. So why can't you manifest yourself from one of these sacred stones? Please be kind and do so." When he woke the next morning, his Damodar Shalagram Shila had transformed into the deity Radha Raman. Gopal Bhatta had been desiring to worship a deity who was something like a combined form of Madan Mohan, Gopinath and Govinda. And as he inspected the astonishingly attractive form of his new deity, he noticed he has the feet of Madan Mohan, the face of Govinda, and the chest of Gopinath. One notices that on the altar Srimati Radharani is missing, although her clothing and paraphernalia is present to our right of Krishna. Actually, she is there, although one needs transcendental eyes to see her. Radha Raman has a very bold stance. His chest is thrust forward, transcendentally showing off his features, and his body does not show signs of having been carved. He even has very personal features, such as small teeth and fingernails. Next to the Radharaman Temple is a shrine at the place where that Damodar Shila transformed into the deity. Just behind that shrine is the Samadhi of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. The elderly devotee in charge at the Samadhi, Ghanshyam Das, taps everyone on the head with the walking stick of Gopal Bhatta Goswami.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.